You've been holding her since you found out. A few weeks in, you heard her heartbeat. A few weeks later, you knew she was a girl. All the parenting books and baby clothes in the world can't fully prepare you for the beautiful moment when she is in your arms. A moment frozen in time. And in that moment, there's something else you'll want to capture forever for her future. A healing resource. The body is its own universe, with tens of trillions of cells, all with their own purpose. You're creating her universe now, and within it, the power of her umbilical cord. Imagine a goodie bag with the same stem cells, responsible for her healthy development. Like children who can grow up to be anything they want to be, there is an incredible amount of possibility within them. Stem cells found in cord blood can be sent in to rebuild a healthy immune system damaged by disease, to restore health. It's fascinating, but it isn't new. Cord blood has been used for over 30 years in transplant medicine to help treat conditions like certain cancers, blood disorders, and immune disorders. And if that isn't compelling enough, now there's a new frontier ahead for stem cells within cord blood and tissue. Regenerative medicine. Instead of replacing and repairing as they do in transplant medicine, stem cells in regenerative medicine act more like emergency workers, coming in to offer support during a time of need. If there is a disease, damage, or trauma, they can help create an environment that encourages the body to heal and repair itself. Today, regenerative medicine clinical trials are using cord blood for conditions once thought to be untreatable, like autism and cerebral palsy. For many families, this research has made a world of difference. And what about stem cells found in cord tissue? They're a different type of stem cell, and just like she, they are unique and equipped with their own abilities. Researchers are excited about cord tissue's potential to help conditions that affect cartilage, muscle, and nerve conditions like Parkinson's disease, lung cancer, and sports injuries. You can't predict her future, but with a 1 in 3 chance that she may use and be helped by regenerative medicine someday, you can prepare for the possibilities and offer a unique kind of protection. If she needs to fight a dragon, you're going to get her a sword and a shield. And we make it easy to armor her and your family moments after she's born. No matter how she comes into the world, we can save those cells painlessly with care and ease, without her ever leaving your arms. We'll keep those amazing cells safe for you, frozen in time. If she needs them, you can breathe easy. You're going to give her your best. All the world has to give, all the tools, all your love. You wouldn't trust her with anyone that won't also give their best. At ViaCord, we are a leading team who knows how to do the most for her, using advanced science to achieve the best results for her. And you can feel confident and safe when you place your trust in us, just like the hundreds of thousands of families who already trust in us. Humans are remarkably resilient. As your daughter grows, she'll take her first steps, learn to read, fall down, express herself, follow her dreams. From the moment she comes into the world, you're going to be ready for her. And so will we.